Thank you, Mr. Vice President. Allow me to quote this very word of Madam High Commissioner while addressing once again the urgent and humanitarian issue of Ashraf that Madame Mitterrand, the president of our organization, has been following closely and directly talked about with Madam High Commissioner. In her statement on April 15, Madam High Commissioner declared, and I quote, "The Iraqi military were well aware of the risk attached to launching an operation like this in Ashraf. There is no possible excuse for this number of casualties. There must be a full, independent and transparent inquiry, and any person found responsible for use of excessive force should be prosecuted." Despite this firm request, no independent investigation has been conducted as yet. Repeated warnings by NGOs and international parties went unheeded in the past years and months, and that opened the way for the attacks and the sad event, to say the least, of July 2009 and April 2011. France Liberte urges the Human Rights Council to help promote the acceptance and enforcement of the plan put forward by European Parliament after its recent visit to the camp, which aims at a peaceful settlement, thus preventing a further humanitarian catastrophe, as well as guaranteeing the protection of Ashraf residents until a final decision is reached. To this end, we call upon the Office of the High Commissioner to set up and install a permanent monitoring team inside Ashraf camp and under the protection of the United Nations. Most important of everything, and I shall conclude on this, Mr. President, we would like to specifically reiterate and recall that the legal status of the inhabitants of Ashraf is that of refugees, as determined by the UNHCR, in accordance with international humanitarian law, human rights laws, and especially the Fourth Geneva Convention, and that should be remembered by all the member states present here. Thank you.